Suppose there's a wave file that you want to open. Use function wave. X is equal to wave and file name that I have on my drive. This is one of the sentences from the timid list. Let's open up the waveform view and play.
Artificial intelligence is for real.
Now, I want to extract the word intelligence from this sentence. Click about here 715 milliseconds. Make the selection until 1500 milliseconds. Once you selected the range, play it.
Intelligence.
So we know this is the time interval we want to extract. In order to extract this portion of the signal, use the tilde operator and put the two time points for begin and end time points around it. So y is equal to x 715 tilde 1500. Ta-da! This is the portion we wanted to extract.
Intelligence. Intelligence.
This is called time indexing. If you wanted to do this in MATLAB, you would have to calculate the sample indices, which is not hard but tedious process that we wish we wouldn't have to go through. In AUXLAB, I don't want you to worry about sample points. Just work with time points. That's what matters to us. Now, let's try something creative. What happens if the time points decrease, not increase? So we are time indexing y from 500 to 200. Guess what? We are making a time reversed signal. Compare the time reversed version z to the original y from 200 to 500. You see they are reversed. Let's listen. Close the windows of y and z. Go back to x. I am playing the whole sentence x again.
Artificial intelligence is for real.
Now, we want to find the portion of the word for. I tried this earlier, so I know that the word for starts here and ends right here. It begins at 1870 and ends at 2045. Listen.
For.
Now, I want to remove this portion from x. How do we do it? Put time indexing expression on the left-hand side and assign it to an empty array. So x 1870 tilde 2045 is equal to empty. Now, that part is gone. Play again.
Artificial intelligence is real.
Finally, let's have some fun. Let's time reverse the entire sentence. How? Just put the whole duration followed by tilde and 0. X, duration of x, tilde and 0. Actually, there's a better way, but just hang on now. Let's see the waveform. Indeed, the waveform is backwards. Play it. Original.
Artificial intelligence is real.
Reversed. Now, what is the better way? Instead of using duration function, use a special keyword and. It's the same meaning. And is a special reserved variable only meaningful in the context of indexing.